Welcome to this video in which you will learn how to make this 3D printable part. In step 1, we will sketch the part. In step 2, we will learn how to extrude this part. In step 3, we will learn how to make holes in the part. And in step 4, we will learn how to fillet the edges. So let's begin. So at first, you have to open a new part file. For that, you have to click here and then select new. And here you have to select the part, this one, and then click OK. It will take some time, and here you have to select this top plane and then click on sketch. And now we have to make a rectangle. For that, select this line and click here in this environment and make a horizontal line, then this vertical line, then this horizontal line, and a vertical line. We can do the same thing by using another command. Drop down this menu and select the center rectangle. Then click here and expand this rectangle, and we can very easily make this rectangle by using the simple center rectangle. Now select this smart dimensioning tool, select this line and specify the length of this line as 50. By default, the units are selected as millimeters, so this is 50 millimeter. Now select this line and then click here and specify 35 as dimension. And now simply check this box, go to features, and now select this Extruded Boss base command. This will convert it into a 3D part. I will always recommend to specify dimensions from here. So here specify 5 millimeter, and now here we can see the height of this part is 5 millimeter. Simply check this box, and here you can see a 3-dimensional part has been created. Now select this face and click on sketch, and now select this circle because we want to cut circular holes on this part. Make a circle here, and now we have to specify the dimensions. For that, select this smart dimensioning tool, select this circle, and here specify the diameter as 4. Okay, now select this line and select this center of the circle, and here specify 5. And now select this vertical line and select this center of the circle, and here specify the distance as 5. Okay, now we have to do the same things, and we have to make 3 more circles. So make a circle here, then make 3 circles like this, and now we have to specify the diameter. For that, we have to select smart dimensioning tool, and here specify the diameter as 4, just like we have done with the first circle. 4. Select this circle and specify 4. Okay, and now we have to specify the distance from the corners. We have done this previously, 5 millimeter. Okay, that's fine. And then from this line to the center, specify the distance as 5 millimeter again. From this point to this point, 5 millimeter. Specify here 5 and then press enter. Select this line, select this center point and specify 5. And similarly specify 5 millimeter as the distance from the edges. And now here you can see all the dimensions and the parameters have been specified, and now we have to cut these holes. For that, go to features, this one, and select this extruded cut command, because we have to cut the holes from the part. Just check this box, and here you can see the holes have been made in this part. And now it's time to make some fillets. So let's see how we can do that. Select this Boss Extrude and click on Edit Sketch. And here you can see this is our very first sketch. Now let's see how we can make these fillets. Select this fillet command, and now we have to select 4 corners. This one, and you can zoom in, select this corner, select this corner, and finally this corner. And now we can specify the radius of these fillets. Let's specify here 7 and then click enter. Here you can see let's specify as 4 and then press enter, and here you can see the radius has been decreased. Let's specify here again as 8 millimeter. So that's looking fine. If we check this box and if we exit the sketch, this one here, we can exit the sketch, and you can see the fillets have been created. And now we have to save this part. For that, we have to select here save as, and here we have to rename the part. So I am giving the name of this part as 3D printable part, and then click on the save option. Now go to file again and select this save as option. Here we have to drop down this menu, and here we have to find STL file, this one STL. Here you can see STL, and then click on save and then press enter again, or yes. So the part has been saved. Let me show you. And here you can see both of the files, but this one is the 3D printable file. So if we right click on it and go to properties, and here you can see the file extension is .stl. We can make a 3D print of this file by using the 3D printer as well. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.